Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a laptop keyboard for a Acer 4730Z. So that is the Acer 4730Z. This is an old laptop, I think model 2009 or 8, something like that. Aspire 4730Z. I've been using this laptop for 11 years now, but still working, and can still able to run the latest software applications out there smoothly. So as you can see, my keyboard is already worn out. Some keys are missing and taken out by some random keys or whatever, I don't know. But today I'm going to replace this keyboard, and I have bought online from Shopee. Here it is. Yeah, it just came in yesterday. This package from JNT delivered to me. JNT Express. Yes, I bought from Shopee. This is a new keyboard, and let's see if this keyboard matches with this keyboard. If this one matches, then we can replace this one to this one. Okay. Unboxing. Wait. Oh my goodness, they sent me the wrong color. I ordered the black color and they sent me gray. It's okay, it's fine as long as it works. All the keys functioning well. It's fine, I can use it. So now let's proceed. We will check first if this one. Okay, it fits. I think this is the one. All the keys are the same and everything is I think it's the one. So I'm going to replace this old one, the worn out keyboard, with this one. Okay, now let's proceed by replacing the keyboard of Acer Aspire 4730Z. First, we're going to shut down the computer. We'll shut down this. And then remove everything on your computer, like cable or any devices that attach it to it, and your power cable, of course, remove it. Down, already shut down. Flip your computer upside down, remove the battery. Okay, now there's 3 screws at the back of your computer. These 3 screws. See, 1, 2, 3. These 3 screws securing this panel board here on the dashboard of your laptop. This one. So we need to remove the 3 screws so that we can take out the panel board. Screws are removed. Now we can remove this panel board by using this one. Okay. There is a lock in this panel board. You just release the lock, then you can remove this panel. But be careful with the speaker, guys. This is the speaker here, and this one here, that one. Okay, so lift this one up. Release the lock on both sides. Then take up. This is the cable lock. Release it. Okay. If this one is very dirty, you can clean it with the brush, but I don't have a brush, unfortunately, so I just do it with my breath. And now the new keyboard is ready to install. First, position it like that, and then insert the cable to the keyboard. After inserting the keyboard, push the lock, secure it. Okay. That. Hold this one up. Right. It doesn't fit. There's a lock on this both side. These two. Push it down, that it will secure. Now put back the magnet. Okay, it's final. Then flip off, upside down. Put back the screw here. Now put back the batteries. Yes. Right. Let's start up the computer. Let's see if new keyboard is functioning well. Okay. If I can input my password, then the keyboard is working well. If not, then it's not functioning. It works. So the keyboard is working fine. I will test now if all the keys are functioning well from A to Z. Okay, Windows key. See, notepad. Right. The quick brown fox. The quick brown fox. Jump over the crazy lazy dog. That's it. All the letters of the English alphabet is working in this keyboard. So let's see if this brightness function working or not. It's working. Getting darker and getting brighter. Good. So the keyboard is working fine. Okay guys, that's it for today. That is how to change or replace the keyboard for the Acer laptop Aspire 4730Z model. Very easy, right? So please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit like and share. Thank you very much guys. See you again. Bye.